Here is a step-by-step guide on how to take Invictus ACE online. Visit invictus.aakash.ac.in/exam/login. Log in with your roll number and password. Your password is your date of birth in dd/mm/yyyy format. Once logged in, your exam details will be displayed in the dashboard. Click on Start Now to begin. Once the test begins, you will see the first question on your screen. Every question has 4 options to choose answers from. Please note that some questions might have more than one correct answer. Whether a question has one or more than one correct answer will be displayed above the options. Select the desired answer or answers from the given options by clicking on them. If you do not wish to answer a question right away or want to review your response later, you can click on Review to mark the question and come back to it. Clicking on Reset will unselect all the currently selected options. Click on Next to move to the next question. Use the Previous or Next button to move between questions. You can switch between different sections by clicking on the subject names at the top. The Overview panel on the right shows the subject-wise or section-wise progress and the number of questions you have answered, not answered, marked for review, not visited, answered, and marked for review. Clicking on the question number will take you to that particular question. The countdown timer is at the top right and shows the time remaining. To end the test immediately, click on the End Test button at the top right corner. Once submitted, a thank you message will appear. You can now close this window and go back to the dashboard. Once the results are announced, you can view them by logging into your account. All the best!